Hello Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read for you for the month of July 2020. This is the last time what we had to do in the sequence of the zodiacs in this month for the July month. We're already done with June, and it's there on our website. It's there on our channel also, so you can just go and see your forecast there. So we're going ahead with July 2020 for you now, Pisces, and let's see how the energies are. So as usual, with as we have done it with the other signs, we're going to pull a theme of the month card for you, and then accordingly we will move further in the sequence. So we've already pulled your angels card and your universal advice card as well. We look into that and see what are the energies you're getting in the month of July 2020. Okay, so let's get ahead. The very first card talks about wish wisely, Pisces. I am showing you this card so that you can connect with your fairy mother. You can look at her, you can get those energies what are required for you in the month of July. And look at her, the magic wand which she has in her hand. This is with what she will grant you wishes, and the wishes which you have are really desired from the core of your heart, from the bottom of your heart. So what is she saying? She says use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart's desire and take practical steps forward to make your dreams come true. Whatever you really want, that's what you need to ask for from your fairy mother in this month. Do not ask for something just in a fit of anger, or something which is like, just like that. At times we say, oh, I wish this happens. No, don't do that. So think about your wishes very, very well, because whatever you're going to ask from your fairy mother, this is how you're going to transform your future accordingly, and this is how you will make your future further, and your dreams will come true accordingly. Okay, moving ahead in the reading, we have pulled the cards for you already for July. As the start of the July looks like very, very promising. I will tell you the reason why am I really talking like that. And then we have the last week here, which is again a nice week. So if I have to give you a summary, if I just have to give you a quick gist about your month July 2020, Pisces, I think this is one of the most beautiful, one of the most positive months you've come across till now in this year, in your life, Pisces. So as the fairy mother is telling you that wish wisely, I think you have taken that suggestion, or you're taking that advice very, very seriously. Why do I say so? Because Ace of Swords has appeared in your reading, wherein she talks about clarity in your life, talks about cutting your cords from unnecessary things, unnecessary people, giving a clarity of mind, being headstrong in the month of July. So starting itself is happening at a very strong note. Also, there are new starts which are happening. The new start for you are actually certain to happen in the month of July. Pisces, look at this card which I had just flipped out of my hand. This is the start of the month. Look at the strong combination of this Ace of Wand and the Ace of Swords. New beginnings are happening. These new beginnings are happening not at a cost of anything very precious, but then it is giving you. You'll have to pay something in terms of giving away the unnecessary energies out of your life. So that's how you're making this future very, very well. So first week is giving you so much of energy, so much of enthusiasm, so much of courage, that you give a new start to your life, and you are also giving away all those negative things, negative energies out of your life. So that's a wonderful energy for you, Pisces. I'm really very happy for you and excited how the month is going to be for you. Okay, do share your comments in the comment section once you enter this month and you face these beautiful energies and strong energies in your life, Pisces. Okay, moving ahead, the person who has got a very strong start, someone who has got strong relationships sector are also getting some clarity here. So if you were lingering onto a relationship for a very long time, which was not really worth it, and then you're just dragging it on your shoulders, carrying it on your shoulders for a very long time, now the time will come that you will take out your sword, you will cut out all those unnecessary cords in that relationship, and this is how you're moving ahead in life. So that's a wonderful energy in terms of relationships as well. Pisces, also if you are talking about the career part and you were stuck in some kind of assignment which was not really giving you that kind of a happiness. Maybe you will have that courage, that you have a courage of starting something of your own, or maybe you will have a courage of presenting or introducing some creativity into that only project, that very project itself, and then you move ahead with all that courage. So first week is giving you a milestone in life. Pisces, use that milestone very very well, I would say that. Okay. Second week talks about your uh, financial gains here. Now, Pisces, you are getting financial gains. Also, it talks about nurturing of yourself. So you're getting nurtured by some female energy, feminine energy here in the month of July. It could be your mother, your friend, your mentor. Also, in relationships, I think the person you're dealing with right now, this person is very very nurturing in nature. Okay. Along with that, this lady looks like a single mother, or maybe someone who's managing everything on her own, someone who's like a very independent kind of a personality here. Pisces, so you're dealing with that kind of a energy. And also, if you've invested somewhere, I see some financial gains also happening in the second week of July. So second week looks like a very July looks like a very promising week for you. Pisces, energies are very positive. You will feel very energetic in the month of July. Moving ahead in with these energies. Okay, and one more thing, I think people who are family way in this month, their relationship might take some hit, because maybe the mother or would be mother is a little too much focused on herself right now, and she wants a lot of pampering, more lots of love from you. Maybe you're not able to do that because you're busy with your work. So here you'll have to maintain that balance, Pisces, that no one feels ignored. Specifically, the mother here doesn't really get feels ignored. Also, if you've been ignoring your mother for some time, she will feel a little depressed in this month, because she would actually recall the good memories she's had with you. So now is the time that you give some time to your mother also, Pisces. It is very important. Okay. Moving to the next part of your reading, which is the third part. So Pisces, if you've been struggling with some issue right now in your life, like you've been struggling with a situation, you're struggling with some person, you're struggling in a trouble, or maybe a project which is out of your hands right now, or you've been struggling for a very long time, maybe a year now, in your career, or maybe with a relationship, then the time has come that your boat will sail from the water of trouble to the water of calmness and then settlement. Okay, so settlement is coming your way, Pisces. So you're moving from one place to the other. There's a movement also happening here. Maybe you will relocate from one city to the other. That can also happen here. And this movement will not be easy, Pisces. It will not be an easy, vanilla kind of a thing. No, it's not happening. You will have a lot of opposition, while you make this movement, and while you're moved having this transition from a problematic place to a calmer problematic situation to a calmer situation. But here I will say that even if people will oppose you, even if people will not be in your support, even if people don't really agree with your ideas, they will have to surrender. So here again, I don't see the struggle of others making their way easily, because you're not going to get tamed down by people very very easily. I'm just trying to look at the events which are happening here after you move, or maybe the movement which you are making in the month of July. Specifically, this is the third week of yours. Okay, so the good things I'll mention here, because none of the card has come up as a loss to you. Take it in a way that if the people who are opposing you, they are trying to trap you, put you in a trap for some or the other reason. Maybe they are not getting along with you well, they don't get along with you well. These people are going to get trapped in their own trap. So the trap what they had set up for you is going to work for them well, really very well. So you don't have to really be worried about anyone. You don't have to be really tensed about anyone. So people who are betraying you, they're going to get they will become the victim of their own trouble, own backstabbing, own betrayal. Okay, so you don't have to be worried there also. Or one more thing which I'll have to mention here is that you're emerging like someone who will manage everyone. So these betrayers, these people who are not in support of you, or maybe they are trying to create some kind of a problem for you, those people are getting settled very very well because of your leadership skills, because of your leadership styles. And you will manage them very very well. Even if they will try to put their sting or against you, you are the one who will manage them very well. So don't worry, I think you're emerging like a winner in the July month, Pisces. The reading is very very positive for you. Another thing which is happening in your card is when you're moving, when you are making a move here, I will be categorically mentioning here that you're moving ahead from a troublesome relationship to a better, either relationship with yourself or a relationship which is better with someone else. Okay, so this movement specifically is happening with regards to your relationships, Pisces. The trouble is going away and you're moving into a calmer place now. Also, one movement is about relationships, the other movement could be because of the finances also. So you are very very focused right now on your finances. You want to earn a lot of money, you want to be financially independent. This is why you're making this move from one place to the other. So the movement I was talking about, the relocation I was talking about, that relocation could be because of your job related situation. Okay, that's what I see here. Okay, moving to the last week here again, I must say that something big is planned for you in the month of July, because I mean, I'll have to show you this. All the aces have appeared in your reading. So, be it your relationship, your finances, your emotions, your practical side of you, everywhere, every area of your life is going to get a kickstart, or a fresh energy is coming. A new beginning is waiting for you in the month of July, Pisces. It's a very strong energy. You are beginning something new. Everything is, the troubles you were facing will go away. You're inviting positive energies for yourself. People around you will be supportive of you. If they are not supportive and they people who act like your enemies or your opposition party, these people will not succeed in their planning, because you are emerging like a winner here, and they will not stand in front of you, in front of your vibrant energy in this month, Pisces. Be happy, be nice with people. Okay, also what does universe suggest you, and what is the angels messages here? The angels are saying that heal away addictions, Pisces. It's time to let go of the behaviors that are blocking your growth, behaviors which are stopping you to fulfill your heart's desire. So pray to your gods, your angels, that please give me that courage, that I'm able to leave those toxic situations, toxic relationships behind. Remember, when we started your reading, I told you that Ace of Swords has appeared in your reading, and it talks about some kind of a movement, some kind of clarity of mind. You will get away from the relationship which are not serving your purpose anymore. So that is anyways happening with your cards. So here I think you already have that courage, that you will be able to do that. So the angels messages is actually connecting with the first week of your month. Okay, and you need to connect with love, so that you will the universe will actually support your desires here, support your intentions, support your efforts here, and it will make peace in your life, Pisces. I had not flipped one of the cards, which was your which we call as the relationship card. So I am just waiting for you to just hang on and see. I will take that message as your message, because the card has suddenly flipped out of the deck. So let me see what is it that the angels are trying to tell you. They say things are not as they appear. So things are not that difficult also as they appear. The lower the price of your love, the higher its value. People who are not so demanding in life, their value is always high. Why? Because people who are too much demanding, too much aggressive in relationships, those people create troubles for their relationship. If you are The message is very deep. I will repeat it again. The lower the price of your love, the higher the value of it. Try to understand that. It's a very beautiful message which has come for you. Okay. Overall, very nice month, very beautiful month, full of startings, full of learnings, full of beginnings, full of a new start, a kickstart to your relationship, refreshing the entire, one, rebooting your life again. So this is something which is an option you're getting from July 2020. I will say take care of yourself, take care of your family. Reach me on my India number 918448901791. That's the complete number. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website for interesting facts and figures on our channel about our channel. That's www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.